And I don't expect to see anybody else on this. I would expect this to be a more popular hike just because it's so short and you go up to an alpine lake. And those are always pretty, right? Ah, forgot the drone. I'm gonna go back. It's worth it. I mean, I'm going up to a lake. It's gonna be beautiful views and there's gonna be no one there to bother. Ah, criminy. I'll get back to you once I get the drone again. Drats! I'm not quite sure if you could see it on film, but after you spend a lot of time in the woods, you kind of notice when the trees start to thin, like straight up ahead. Like here, you can see how thick it is. And you know, it's just trees on, but it thins over there. Thinning of the trees means there's an opening there of some sort, either a meadow or a lake. So we're coming up to it pretty soon, I think. Or it goes down. That's the last alternative, but it's really thin over there, so I'm starting to lean towards we're almost there. It's only 1.1 miles away, so it should be close. So at the last campsite, I was there for 2 nights. I just spent the 2 nights there mostly just to edit. First day I was there, I actually cleaned myself off. But then the next day I just edited. But while I was there, I was just sitting there editing. I see moose walk by in front of me. And there were 4 of them this time. There were the same 3 that were there before. And then a 4th one, another male. So I watched him go across and I was like, huh. And then later on, I get out of my car and I see them coming back. But then 3 of them just laid down underneath the trees and they just spent the rest of the day there during the hottest point. And I couldn't find the 4th one at all. So every time I got in my car, I looked at them, make sure they were there, and then looked around for the 4th one. But I never did see the 4th one. But it's so weird that just a few days ago, I'd never seen moose before, and then now they're just hanging out near me, and I look out the window, and there they are, just laying there, and with their heads down. You can't see them at all, and the grass is only a couple feet high. It's pretty wild. But I'm at the lake now. The trail, for some reason, keeps going. It might go around the lake. Let's go cruise around, and then figure out where we can film from. Alright, so the trail looks like it's going down. It's going down further than Sawmill Lakes, actually. There is another lake to my right. I wonder if it's going to go there, and I do hear water sounds up ahead. So I might hit a creek. Probably not a waterfall. Let's just go down there. It's not too far down. It might go down to the lake. There's also another trail going to the right. Over here. That might go to the lake. Let's hit the lake. Oh yeah, here we go. Of course, with lakes comes lots of mosquitoes. Only droppings I've seen have been horse droppings. I haven't seen any other animals. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Oh God, look at it. These lily pads. Oh man. I would give so much to see a frog sitting on one. Do frogs ever actually sit on one? I've seen them only in cartoons like that. Oh, look, some of them have flowers too. See the flowers over there? Yeah, on the lake. Alright folks, I had some fun flying a drone here at these two lakes. I got the battery down to about 50%. That's what I like it. I don't want it to go too low. I know I still have plenty of room, but better safe, right? So part of that last flight, I noticed that there was basically a reservoir down this trail. That's where this one leads. So I'm gonna go back down, although I went down and came back up, because there's like an outlet there too, and there seems to be a trail that goes to the very top of it. So let's go check it out. I think that's what that noise is. It's water pouring out of the lake. It's pretty cool. So let's go check it out. It's not too far according to the drone, so hopefully it's right over there. Hopefully it's not too crazy to get there. Got a little creek crossing. See how slippery these rocks are. I could have hopped quicker, but it's always better to be safe with the rocks when you don't know how slippery they are. So it should be straight this way. We should be heading straight towards it. It was all uphill here, but I believe I'm over the rim of the lake here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here's the reservoir. Here's the wall. And the lake is held back. I always love seeing lakes that are higher up than the terrain around it. Cool. It's a really tannin colored water. I can see the brownishness. Lots of fish jumping. Not too many people come fish here. And here's the other wall. And there's the outlet and waterfall. If you come up to Sawmill Lakes, definitely go further and hit this lake, and you can watch all the water flow. It's always nice near a waterfall because animals can't hear you as well, so you get a better chance of spotting them. Look, there's like a little pool down there too. There's this whole setup. It looks like maybe a pump that shoots the water out and over. It looks like if it gets too high maybe or something. I don't know. Solar powered. It's funny when you see a solar panel, you can kind of tell which way south then. Looks like we can go up to the very end there. Let's go check it out. Now at this altitude, I don't think there's snakes, so I'm not too concerned. Cool. Oh yeah. I thought it was like a man-made outlet, but it looks really natural. Even if it is man-made, it's very natural looking. Right? Let's go on this rock. Oh yeah. I might fly the drone a little bit just along this waterfall here. Pretty cool. Yeah. You know what would make this perfect? If I see a bear on the way back. There's a campsite down there. Someone put a log on top of a couple other logs to make a bench. I guess it's a good campsite. Got plenty of water, especially if you're gonna fish. What great fishing areas out here. Bighorn National Forest has been an extremely pleasant surprise, I will say. See, campsite, fire ring, bench, flat area over there for a tent. Very nice campsite. All right, let's go back to Sawmill Lakes and then head back to the car. Probably have 1.5 miles. This lake was a little further than I thought. I guess when you're flying a drone, things look close, but once you start walking and it's down and back up, it's a little further than you think. I saw a deer up ahead, huge deer. He was over there, ran towards the left. I don't think we're gonna be able to see him. If I wasn't blubbering. Here he is. There's a light brown object right towards the middle. It's not moving, just, oh, he's moving a little. Hey deer. Nothing scary around here, I guess, if you're walking around. You see me? Alright, bye-bye. You are really light brown. Well, it turns out that this lake here is not Sawmill Lake. The Sawmill Lake is actually Sawmill Reservoir, the one we went to. So definitely go all the way up there, and that's 2.2 miles altogether. But beautiful lake to go to. With the waterfall there. Pretty nice. So I'm heading back now. I guess I'm gonna have less than a mile to go, but that's about it. I'll check in with you if I see anything else cool on the way back, but I'm gonna head back to the car and then start driving up to Black Mountain and go up that thing today. Hopefully the weather behaves. If there's any chance of thunder or lightning, I will not go up there because I do not want to be on the top of a mountain when there's lightning. So it's up to the weather whether I go up there or not. I'll talk to you later. Bye. I had to stop because look how purple these fields are, both sides. Astonishing. Look how purple it is. Look, pines everywhere. And they're in great condition. They look amazing. Look how purple everything is.